Hi there, I'm StreamFab. Welcome to today's video. Have you ever tried downloading your favorite show on your Mac, only to have the software crash right between episodes? Or get told you're out of disk space, even though you just cleaned up yesterday? Well, you're not alone. And today, I'll walk you through some of the most common issues Mac users face with the StreamFab, especially those using Apple Silicon devices. We'll also explore platform-specific quirks across popular streaming services, so you can finally enjoy a smooth download experience instead of playing tech support to yourself. Let's start with the most reported issue on Mac: software crashes. This tends to occur on Macs with M-series chips, and the symptoms are pretty frustrating. The app may crash between two downloads, and in some cases, you have to restart your entire Mac just to get it working again. To properly handle this, users should first provide a crash dump. That's the detailed error message that pops up when things go wrong. It also helps to collect the log files, especially if the path includes MacArm64, which tells us it's related to an M chip. Alongside that, a step-by-step description of what triggered the crash, or better yet, a screen recording, can make troubleshooting much easier. The fix? Uninstall the software. Remove related cache folders like the one in your library under Application Support, and reinstall the latest version. If the crash happens too often, we recommend temporarily switching to the Intel version or running StreamFab in Rosetta mode. Now, another common headache is the dreaded not enough disk space alert. It's often not what it seems. Sometimes the software forgets to delete temporary files after download. Manually clearing out the temp folder can help. If you're using a NAS for storage, make sure it's properly mapped as a local disk. And remember, if your system disk is full, changing the download path won't help. You'll need to free up actual system space. Also, make sure StreamFab has proper disk access permissions in your Mac system settings. One last tip here: avoid using cloud storage folders like iCloud for downloads. They're just not stable enough for this use case. Now, let's shift gears and look at issues common across streaming platforms. Login errors top the list, especially for Netflix. If you're seeing login failed or wrong password, it might not be you. It could be your IP. Make sure your current IP and the registered country of your account match. A good first step is to reset your password and log out of all devices. Then clear the cache and try again. Resolution limits are another major concern. Some users are surprised to see only 540p videos downloading. That's because many platforms have recently updated their encryption technology, and it takes time for StreamFab to catch up. But don't worry, what you're getting is still far better than re-encoded content. StreamFab enables you to watch native 1080p content offline across different streaming platforms. Native 1080p means true quality, not just upscaled 720p. If you're seeing stuck downloads or the software can't analyze a link, first try playing the video on the browser. If it plays there, restart the app and try again. If that doesn't help, send in a log and a short screen recording so we can help out more effectively. Each streaming service has its own quirks. Netflix supports native 1080p with high-efficiency H.265 encoding. The app automatically chooses the best format between H.265 and H.264. If you're stuck at 540p, don't panic. It's likely due to Netflix's new encryption methods, and a patch is probably already on the way. If login fails, again, resetting your password and logging out of all devices usually does the trick. Amazon Prime Video allows you to download bonus content and set default audio or subtitle languages. But here's the catch: your site region matters. If you're using amazon.co.uk, but your account is from amazon.com, that mismatch can cause the software to fail to parse the video. Disney Plus is all about high fidelity. Most of its content downloads at native lossless 1080p and includes premium sound formats like Atmos and EAC3. Still, some videos only offer 720p, and that's a platform limitation, not something StreamFab can change. Hulu is a bit of a mixed bag. In the US, it supports up to 4K downloads, but Hulu Japan maxes out at 1080p simply because their servers don't host 4K content. StreamFab is giving you the best that's available. Then there's Max, formerly HBO Max, which is the golden child of this list. It clearly supports native 4K downloads and offers multi-track audio and dynamic resolution switching. If you want top-tier output, this is the one to watch. Before every use, make sure you're on the latest version of StreamFab from the official website. Clear your cache, log out and back into your streaming accounts, and if anything seems off, gather logs, a recording, and the error report before contacting support. So the next time your Mac throws a tantrum or Netflix decides you deserve only 540p, you'll know exactly what to do. And hey, if everything fails, maybe it's just the universe telling you to go outside and touch some grass. But if not, StreamFab's got your back, and so do I.